Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's make some amazing boiled and fried chickpeas. Now to get started, we are going to slice some onions, and I'm using 1 onion here. Not to worry, everything that I'm using will be in the description box. All right, add some oil, add the onions, cook this for about a minute. Then you're gonna add some green onions, and I'm also adding here some masala, some geerah, some bouillon, some chili flakes, and some black pepper. Give this a good stir. I also did add some carrots. Now that is optional. Then you're going to add your chickpeas. Continue frying this for an additional 5 minutes. And that's it. You can eat this with some mango sour. I'll also leave the link to that if you know how to make it. And some hot pepper. I mean, your choice. So thank you guys for watching. Do enjoy. See y'all in the next video. Bye bye.